Look at it.
Hey guys!
Bye-bye.
Today we will be having a slime bath. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to turn our bath water into gooey slime. It's going to be green gooey slime. Are you ready to have a slime bath?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so here it says it's 100% safe bath time fun, non-irritant and stain free. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill our tub with water.
Yeah.
We're gonna sprinkle the slime powder into the bath to transform water into goo. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to add some more water. Are we gonna have a slimy bath?
Yes, slimy bath.
It's gonna be gooey.
And then you have to
Yeah. So we're gonna sprinkle everywhere. Over here too. Everywhere. So Logan is sprinkling all of the slime inside our bathtub. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Was it the gold?
Yeah, all of it, all of it. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna stir it up. Stir, 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 stir all the slime. Good job. Stir, stir, stir. You ready to hop in?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be slippery. So we're gonna wait 5-10 minutes for it to turn very slimy and gooey.
Slimy.
Is it slimy?
Yeah.
Stir, stir, stir. It's getting slimy. Oh, look at the slime. Ew. Whoa, are you sliding in the slime?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Oh, be careful, it's so slippery.
Hi. I have a slime bath.
You're having a slime bath?
Today I have a slime bath with a little pink slime bath.
Yeah, whoa, 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 whoa. Be careful. Okay, I'll throw you some toys, ready? Here's your baby. Spider-Man. Some cars. And a minion. Ah! Ew. Is your car in a slime bath? How does it feel? Is it slimy? Whoa, look at that. Whoops. It's so slippery.
What?
Look at your baby. Your baby's getting all slimy. Oh no, is your baby having a slime bath too? Oh no.
That baby not stand.
It can't stand. Look, it stays. Oh, you gotta sit. It's too slippery. No standing in the slime bath. Oh no, Spider-Man behind you. Is he all slimy? Let's take a look. Oh no. Ah, he's got slime everywhere. Oh, they can stand up.
Yeah. Right? And that way. And Minion! Hey, Minion! A Minion! A Minion!
Oh, there's a baby minion in the slime bath with you.
Hi, I'm Logan. I'm Logan.
Is the minion's name Logan too?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's super cool.
You're slimy. Slimy about.
Whoa! Oh no! You got slime in your hair!
Spider-Man warrior. Spider.
Wow, so slimy.
It's slimy.
Oh!
See? Slimy.
Look at the slime. Is this fun?
Yeah. I'm gonna try it.
Sure.
Lift it up. I need that.
Woo! It's like spider webs.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Pour it really slow. I'm having fun slime.
Oh, the slime is so fun. What are you doing? Are you getting all slimy?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Ooh, you can turn. Whoa. It looks like spider webs. Look at the slime.
Watch, I got up here.
Let's see. Oh. Did you get it in your face?
No, here.
Whoa.
But 5 minutes. Watch.
Let's see. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching us have a slime bath. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a thumbs